Hi friends, this is @IOldMonk and today we are with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. So the smartphone comes pretty much similar like Note 5, but it comes with a dual camera 12 plus 5 megapixel setup. It looks pretty much similar like iPhone 10. The fingerprint sensor is at the back, and on the side you are getting a hybrid SIM card slot, and in the front, in the side panel, you are getting the power button, the volume rocker key. In the bottom you are getting a 3.5mm jack, micro USB charging slot, and also the speaker grills. On the top you are getting a IR blaster with noise cancellation mic. These are the things what you are coming. The screen is 5.99 inch, which is approximately 6 inch, and it has a FSD plus display, which it comes with the 18:9 display, which you can see. And here the RAM is 4 GB and the memory is 64 GB. There will be a variant also, I guess 3 GB variant will be there. And in the front you are getting a 20 megapixel camera. The smartphone is running on Android 7.1, which is a Nougat with MIUI 9. Here you can see the camera app. The camera app is the new one where you can see the modes in the bottom. In the top you are getting the settings. You can go and change the settings. Definitely you will get the portrait and the blur mode with the dual camera at the back. And the price point is expected around 15 or something, and this will be going to be exclusive only on Flipkart. And you can see the front camera is 20 megapixel camera, but it also has a flash. The LED flash is there, so definitely it will take good pictures in the low light conditions. And overall the device will be coming in the 4 colors. This is the gold variant. There will be the black color, there will be the blue color, and the rose gold color. Now comparing it with the Redmi Note 5, there is a dual camera setup at the back. Both comes with the octa-core processor, but the chipset is different. One is coming with the 625 and the other is coming with the 636. Both has the same battery, same display, and in fact the front camera in Redmi Note 5 is 5 megapixel, but in this it is a 20 megapixel camera. So definitely the camera has been bumped. No words on the Oreo update yet, so the Oreo is not here. It will be maybe in beta stage right now. This is all about Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.